Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store apps. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store apps. Click on it, and in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. This one, click on it, and in here you can click on the setting. Click on the setting and then click about this one. Click on it and swipe down until you can see this one. And you'll get a message that tell you if the Play Store is up to date. Tap got it, but if you update is available, it will automatically download and install in a few minutes, like this. Click on update Play Store and click got it. Okay, like this. Yeah, if you get a message that tell you Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed, you just click on got it, and then if an update is available, it will automatically download and install in a few minutes. So that's how to update the Google Play Store apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.